In this video, I will show you how to delete download history in Google Chrome. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. To get started, as you can see, we're currently here on Google Chrome. What you want to do is come up to the top right hand corner, click onto the three dots to bring up this menu, and then come down and click onto delete browsing data. So what that's going to do is open up a window like this, and from here you want to come up to the top and you can see we got basic and advanced. So you actually need to click onto advanced, and in here is where you're going to find your download history. So all you need to do is untick the other boxes. In this, in addition to your download history, you want to delete, for example, your browsing history and your cookies and things like that. But if you just want to simply delete your download history, just leave the download history box ticked. Then what you want to do is come up to the time range box at the top and select from here whether you want to delete your download history for the past hour, 24 hours, 7 days, 4 weeks, or all time. Once you've done that, as you can see, my download history is now changed, showing the amount of items to be deleted. Then all you need to do is come down and click onto delete data, and what it's going to do is delete your download history. So that is how to delete download history in Google Chrome. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.